Hey guys, it's Kat, and today I thought I would make a video to show you how to make these cute little stars and stripes Otter Pop cozy. I think they'd be perfect for 4th of July or any other military holiday or American holiday or whatever you want them to use them for, all around. So what you're going to need to make these is your choice of worsted weight yarn. I am using Red Heart with Love White, Red Heart with Love Holly, and I love this yarn Royal Blue. It says Royal, but I think it's Royal Blue. Your G-hook, I like to use a counter and then a tapestry needle to weave in your ends. So let me show you how to start. So you're going to get your G-hook, and you're going to start with your red, your holly or your red, whatever red you choose. And you're going to start with a chain of 9. A chain is like so. Insert your hook, and you're going to make a slip knot first. So you insert your hook, you grab your yarn, and you just like that, but don't make it too tight. And then you're going to chain 9. So yarn over, pull through. That's 1. Yarn over, pull through. That's 2. Yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's move this so you guys can see. Okay, so you got 9. Then you're going to half double crochet in the second chain from your hook. And the second chain from your hook is, it's not this one, it's this one. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to insert your hook.
And I'm going to put it on the camera.
Yeah, it's not that one.
Okay, I put it in the camera.
Sorry, I can't see through the camera. So it's not this one, it's the one right next to it. Insert your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. You're going to do that all across. So that was 1. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, you're going to do that all across. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you're going to work on the other side of the chain. So you're going to turn your work. You're going to yarn over and you're working that first chain again. So 1. And then you're going to work in the next space, which is literally pretty much already open for you. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna slip stitch to your very first chain or very first stitch. So you insert your hook, grab your loop, pull through, and don't chain 1 because you're gonna change colors. Okay, so now you're going to go and you're going to change your yarn to white. White. And there we go. So you grab your yarn and pull through your loop, and then you chain 1. And then you're going to half double crochet in each stitch around, and you're going to have 16 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're going to slip stitch to your very first one, but you're not going to chain one. You're going to go back to your red. And chain one. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go around for 16 rows. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 red rows, and then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 white rows. Okay? Okay, so I am done with my 4 and 4 of my white and red. So I'm going to slip stitch. I'm not going to chain one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to attach my blue now. Okay. And I'm going to do my stitch or my slip in here or whatever you want to call it and chain one. Or attach my yarn, chain one. Okay, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 rows in blue of half double crochets again. So, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, slip stitch, chain one, and you can cut off your red and your white. Okay. What did I say? 3, right? So that was 1. So let's do 2 more rounds of half double crochets. Okay, my last half double crochet here, slip stitch, chain one. So I've done 1, 2, 3. Now we're just going to do a round of single crochet, which is insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. This is like the simplest stitch of crochet. Insert hook, pull up a loop, pull through both. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Slip stitch, chain one, and you can cut it off. Now before you sew on the stars, if you're sewing them on, I suggest you weave in your ends just so they're not in the way when you're sewing them on here. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I made one star because I had to practice here. So this is how I made the stars. I recommend if there's like buttons you can get, I recommend getting the buttons because yeah, that's it's not hard, it's just the process. Okay, so this is how I started. I started from the top. Okay, in that hole. And then you kind of got to go at an angle. So you go down to this hole. Okay. And then you got to go back this way, right? So I went to that hole. And I'm sewing everything together in here. Okay. So you got to connect it to your point here. Okay. So then you go back to this point here. And you go across your star.
What are you doing?
Okay. And then you gotta go make your other foot here. Okay. And then you gotta do this connection here, and this is how I do it. I go up here, but so it looks somewhat neater, I kind of go under, and then I go in here. So there's my stars. They're not gonna be perfect, but you know what? I don't think they have to be, but I recommend maybe getting buttons, or if you got a Cricut machine and cut some felt, you can cut some felt up. Oh, cool. So I'm gonna add my last 2 stars here, and then I'm done. So I hope you guys make it, and show me your creations, and then you'll be all patriotic for the 4th of July or for whenever you want to use these at. And I will see you guys on the next